Alright, we're live again. There you go. You're in charge.
So what are you doing here?
I'm working.
Let's get a better angle.
Other side. So we turn the motor over top dead center on the front cylinder compression stroke. So we took all the load off the rockers. Now we're pulling the rockers up. So you have to pull out 2 breather bolts and the 4 rocker bolts, and that should free everything up. And hopefully just slide it over a little bit and pull the push rods out. Okay, can you just slide it over a little bit and pull the push rods? We got to pull the whole damn stand out. Because the back one we can't pull the stand, I was told. Front one we can. Okay, is this one silver and the other one's black?
No, they're both silver.
Okay.
That one's got, let me take a look at it.
So we can't mix these up. So make sure you lay them on a table. This one's front, this one's side.
See?
So lay them on a table down on the table as they come out of the bike. So put this one here, right here.
Where's the towel, dude?
We need a towel. You want a towel?
We'll wipe it down.
Wasting the damn towel for junk.
Well, this one's got a black stamp on it, so that's front.
What's this one got on it?
This one's rear. This one doesn't have anything. It's blank. So that one has 2 black stamps on it. See them?
Okay, it's got marks. I don't know. I'm not videotaping.
Well, it's markings.
Did you
And
get
this one
that?
doesn't.
Lorenzo's
So
not
the
even
one that
looking at it.
doesn't, it's in the back.
You're supposed to see
No
that.
markings.
What are you doing over there, cameraman?
He's full of it.
Jeez.
You see? Markings.
Okay, now we're going to turn the motor over.
Front and back.
Okay, when the front one's quit moving, when the back one's quit moving, pull them. Okay, I need a wrench I can get to. I can't do it with my wrenches. I have a lack of clearance on my side.
See, I don't know if I should go off record with this, but Tatro, do I get paid for being on a goddamn TV show?
Nope.
Bummer.
He's making you famous.
He ain't making me famous.
You'll be famous like him.
Yeah, famous for
I'm his godson.
people fucking shitty comments.
Hey, I'm going to charge this shitty comments around here.
Shit. They put these ones on. I torque these ones down a little more.
Use a wrench. Don't break my ratchet, use a wrench.
Ladies and gentlemen, see, he's worried about his tools and worried about the bike.
We don't give a squat about this pile of crap.
Tools cost.
Okay, yeah, those are valuable tools. Those are almost
Here you go.
irreplaceable.
Thanks, mate.
Problem.
And what are you doing here, sir?
Once again, we're removing the rockers so we can get to the push rods. It's a process. So we can get to putting in these cams later.
Right, you can spend money on push rods, you can spend money on time. We're going time method.
Yeah. I'm getting my hands dirty, so
Everybody's going to think
should be a half off price on the labor tonight.
everybody's going to think it's stock because you don't have the conversion push rod tubes and covers in there. So.
It's good, mate.
That's a good thing.
Sneaky bastards.
Yeah, sleep.
Tatro's tricks. Tatro will be the first one to try this bike out once the camera's installed, ladies and gentlemen.
That ain't happening.
Come on, Tatro.
It's a road king. Ain't no heavy big Uncle
He
John.
hates twin cams.
Ain't worse than twin cams I made.
He like the M8s. He talking about the M8s.
Yeah, he says he doesn't like them. They're a piece of crap motor.
They are.
That's what he said. I don't know. The girls might think different.
It's alright.
How you looking over there?
The bolt's tight.
Okay, you need a socket, mate?
Can't get a socket, I'm going to use a finger.
Oh, shit.
Loctite on here makes it hard to get them out. Damn, it's hard on my fingers too.
Once again, we'd like to thank you viewers out there.
Okay, we're up. The center bolt's out or not?
Don't forget to hit the like button
Is the center bolt on?
and leave the comments below. Excuse me, sir?
You got the center bolts out?
I do, on my side.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay.
I don't know if that'll come out at all.
Maybe it'll come out on...
Try to get the push rods out. We don't care about the stand, we just need the push rods out. The stand can stay.
Okay, well,
Push rods out. That's all we need.
I can probably. Well, I'll just take it out, dude. It's coming out.
It's coming out.
Might as well just take it out.
Okay, yeah. There you go. They made it. Perfect. Now let's look at them.
You two guys gonna look alike.
Put them on the back side.
I'm his long lost son.
Big, ugly, and stupid? Yeah, come on.
Ren and Stimpy.
Oh, Tate, you had a son that you didn't know about, huh?
Okay, now the gas tank's in the way.
Alright, well, fuck it.
Okay, don't drop it. Alright.
You know which one is front and back, right?
Yeah, the one in the front's the front, one in the back's the back.
Let's see if it has any markings like the other one.
Oh, no markings.
No markings.
Oh, let's see the front one.
Let's see this one. Oh, look, markings.
Ooh, imagine that.
Markings, no markings.
Making a hole leak over here. Okay, now we get this exhaust system off that didn't get put off already. What was the hold up on that?
The fucking cameraman. He was too busy dicking around.
Where's the ratchet at? Right here.
Actually, I need to get this floorboard out the way.
Oh, yeah, that too.
Yeah. So, that being said,
I should do that. That's easy.
You got the muffler ones there back here, looks like. I found a missing nut for your exhaust system.
It was mine.
Yeah, it was rattling around on the oil cooler. Good place for it. Luckily, it didn't look like it had a hole in it, so see, there's the one nut.
do you have more of those? They said they're one-time use only.
One time use for what?
Once you screw them on and take them off, you need to replace them.
What?
Those nuts.
What? Yeah, I told you that.
That's what they said. Harley.
Oh, they don't know.
Okay, now Jay, them stay tuned.
What the hell do they know?
Camera's off. There you go. Rolling.
I thought you were getting the real stubs off.
Okay.
Oh, this nut doesn't come out.
I put them all on. I think I did a great job. Alright, I need a fucking ratchet.
I'm using it. Almost done now. I got 2 more threads maybe.
You have any exhaust gaskets?
Maybe.
I might not need them. These are new.
I use the heavy duty ones which ones you want.
I use the Screaming Eagle ones.
I got 3 different styles. One of them. I don't sell Harley parts here. Get away from me.
He's a fucking asshole.
Yes, thank you. Just now figure that out.
I need that, Tatro.
You got money for this?
Oh, well, I need to use it here.
You can use a straight one on there, can't you?
I don't want to take it. I just need it.
You're taking off these big cool floorboards, as I can see.
Straight one. Want to use a straight one instead of a wobbly fucker?
Well, is this the right size? I had the right size. These aren't the right size.
What size you want?
What size is that? Give me one size
Half
smaller.
inch. 7/16.
Yes, sir. Sir, here, take this back. See, I can work with this guy.
See, someone's over here. See my tools over here? Someone's mixing these all up over here. See, if you put them back in order like they're supposed to do,
Probably Walker.
then we're going to walk these out here.
Hey, that was a real coward's move, wasn't it?
Don't worry, you should say we had a video for you. Okay, so now I get the top ones. How come you get the top bolts out yet?
Excuse me?
You didn't do the other ones yet.
Excuse me, sir?
There's another socket that's misplaced. That goes over here.
Oh, shit. These would be for the floorboards.
Bingo. Get closer. Found it. Can't fit me.
Size 12?
No, I'm 1/2 inch. Just gotta get in here. There it is. I already previously lubricated these, so it's a lot easier. Should we reuse that?
How's it look? Shit.
I reuse them all the time. I don't know why people care. I think that's maybe why they strip out and screw up the studs all the time too.
Right?
It's gonna be a problem getting under here.
So what?
We need a long one. So we need a short one here.
Check out that massive floorboard. You can hurt somebody with that thing. It's like a ninja star.
Yeah, I was already cutting myself on
We'll
the
put this
other
over there,
side.
sir. Thank you.
I think it was eating me up on the other side of the bike already. I need another extension. You got another extension? To bring on my automotive tools, my 3-foot extensions. I used to keep that over.
I'm gonna probably loosen that one up.
See, now we're far enough away we can turn this thing. Just put the camera lower to see that. You can stand off without doing it. You do realize it moves like this, don't you?
Oh, okay, cool.
I guess you didn't know that. Yeah, it moves like that. It goes in and out right here too. It's moving in and out. See?
Oh, cool. Okay.
So now you're an expert. You're trained. You're factory trained.
Like Jagger.
Oh, I dropped that.
And just that easy, ladies and gentlemen. This 2-in-1 exhaust will be removed from the bicycle.
Is this California approved emission?
It sure is, sir. It's here in California. It's on the bike.
There you go.
Are we ready here?
I haven't got a clue what holds this thing on. Give me the brake lever slightly.
What kind of pipe are we taking off, sir?
Oh, we got to remove the old tubes.
What style pipe is this coming off the
This
Road
is a
King?
2-in-1 Road Rage 3 Bassani.
This is a black exhaust system.
We got to remove those O2 sensors, sir.
What size were they? 7/16?
Looks like maybe 7/16.
Well, those are all laying over here. I had the same problem on that last bike, that orange thing I was
Half inch, sir.
Half inch.
Yeah. What's the next size up?
Metric.
Half inch?
There's one of those over here too. Over here. That don't work. We gotta try 13 on it maybe.
What are you taking off now, sir?
Taking off the O2 sensors. Sir, it's going to be a 13mm. This is not big enough.
Do you have a 13 on there?
I don't.
What about 9/16?
We... I didn't put it on that time.
And this is a bagger, ladies and gentlemen.
It's got too much metric stuff on this bike.
And this is a bagger, ladies and gentlemen.
It's a road turd.
Tatro will be the first one to try out the product we put in the bike.
Once you loosen.
First of all, that wrench is shitty.
Because you're using the wrong tool.
Should I look in the back?
I don't want a 9/16 disappeared too.
Maybe in the back.
I thought I got them all forward. I did. Not 5/8.
Why are the lights off in the back?
Because nobody's back there?
It's kind of spooky. Where's the switch?
To your right. Camera's off.
It is 9/16. Some dumbass hit it on the other side of the bike over there. I don't know who was using it for the extension pieces.
Can you shine your camera here so I can let them know who?
I don't know anything about it. No. Oh, this one's tight. This one might have a problem. No, we're not going to use that on that one. It is metric.
God damn it. So we got one off. We got that one there. It's got some bolts here. That's going to be for the exhaust.
So here is 13.
Exhaust bolts is 13.
That's it. That's the right size?
No, it's not.
Size one.
One size bigger. 14.
14. 14.
And ladies and gentlemen, we're on to something.
There you go. Metric bucket. See? Otherwise, those automotive tools. Have a pump for you?
Hold the bike. Give this thing a pull.
What's being installed, sir?
Top secret. I don't know anything about. What are you doing? Get to the floor. So I got flanges going in. There you go. Front flanges out.
You got both bolts off?
Yep.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, small technical difficulty pulling off the pipe.
Bigger hammer. See, where's the binding at? Look where it's binding.
Top corner.
Okay, hold on.
This one's completely free.
Get the nose picker. Put it around the top flange. Pull on a little bit. Don't break the tool. Just pull that on a little. See if it'll come out evenly. If it doesn't bind, if you push the bottom back in, it might help. Is it pushed out? The bottom was pushed out, so there's your problem.
Bingo. Here you go.
And once you push
Here's
the
the
bottom
cherry
back
picker.
up, it looks good.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, exhaust is off.
I'm gonna throw it that way somewhere. All right, we got a motorcycle here now. You got any oil?